everyday lives are changed by one dangerous choice: using drugs. Drug abuse is a growing concern worldwide. What started as an experiment can turn into addiction, affecting not only the user but also their family, friends, and community. Drugs may seem harmless at first, just one try, or just for fun, but that one try can turn into addiction, and addiction can destroy lives. Drug addiction can take away everything: a person's health, happiness, and even their future.
I don't want to ruin my life. I have a better question.
Drugs don't care who you are. They don't care about your dreams, your family, or your future. But here's the truth: you are stronger than any temptation, you are greater than any obstacle, and you have the power to say no. Saying no to drugs is not just about avoiding addiction, it's about choosing a better future. It's about staying in control of your life, your health, and your happiness. It's about making choices that will lead you to success, not suffering. So today, I challenge you. Choose strength over weakness. Choose dreams over distraction. Choose life over drugs. Your future is worth it, and the world needs you healthy, strong, and full of hope. Say no to drugs, say yes to life.